What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be working on a shooting table that I got going for one of my buddies. It's pretty much done. I just got to get it buttoned up, a couple of more screws and a little bit of routing, maybe some sanding. And after I get all that done, we're gonna load it up in the Tundra and get it delivered. So let's get it going. I got this decking all secured on the top and on the seat. So now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is throw a round over on all these hard edges, and then we should be ready to load it up and head out.
Keep in mind you low mix good with
All right, guys, so I don't know if you saw in my previous clip, but my router did not reach all the way in here due to the height here and the height of my router. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go over this with the sander. As you can see, I already did it on this side, just to kind of give me that round over look. I've also been sanding all the parts where I went over with the router just to kind of smooth out this round over. All right, guys, so after everything gets sanded, this is what we're left with. I was able to carry that round over onto this board where my router couldn't reach, and just cleans up the look overall. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for the table. That's all I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna finish it. I'm gonna let him do that. So now I guess I'm gonna go ahead and try and get it loaded up in the truck, and we'll go ahead and deliver it. All right, guys, we got it all loaded up. Let's go ahead and head out. So we're here, we made it to the delivery spot. I'm gonna go ahead and get it unloaded, and then we'll head back home. right, so here's a quick walk around of it. It's pretty fucking overbuilt, but it looks good. Made it just from some scraps I had at the house, extra stuff. The only thing that I did buy was the decking for the top. But just a quick look before I take off. Alright guys, we're back after making that delivery. Everything went good. Sorry I don't have more videos of me actually building that table, but I do have some progression pictures that I'll be posting up at the end of this video. So stay tuned for that. But other than that, thanks for watching. Hopefully see you in the next one.